Well, here we have the finished article, the CORGI Bedford S. And I've only done real short video like this because it isn't worth a full build video, because I'd already stripped it of paint, put tyres on and everything. All it was lacking was a repaint and try to save the screen. The screen's still not brilliant, but as you can see from the before photos, whoever had it before, they'd used very chemically paint, I presume cellulose or something, and it's attacked the plastic. The plastic's crazed and everything. I could have bought a new screen unit, but for what it was worth, it was decent condition in all, and it's passable. I'll live with it. If it really annoys me, screen units are available, but it has the original model's patina in it, and I'll probably get a new set of tyres for it, as I salvaged some out my Spurs box, but some aren't that brilliant. In the future I'll be restoring, I've got the car transporter trailer, and I'll be restoring that for it, but just a little filling video really for folks to have a look at. Anyway, bye for now, and catch you in the next vid. Subscribe if you will, and even better, press the bell motif so you can get notifications. And have a nice day. Tatty bye for now.